Hi friends, welcome our channel to Desi Learning. This is a following to the measure the activity of during the 10th class is major important topic. The activity to the sodium bromide light yellow color and the activity of silver bromide to the take the some quantity of the silver bromide and watch glasses in the formation. The next to the absorbs of the color of the silver bromide. The you can also the salts of the silver chloride to benzene of the formation to the places of the form. The next point is the places of the watch glass in sunlight from the sometime. The sometime measure of the sunlight is 5 o'clock is the evening the time of the places of the watch. Watch glass measure of the important topic is now the nows observe the colors of the silver bromide to the experiment of the solves in your class and measure the classes of the proportional to the silver bromide is measured the important on observes the colors to the reaction of the forms to the sunlight and given the what changes do you the notice and notice in your classes at the time to made the changes to the notice of the form the next to the due to color of the silver bromide is the change. Yes, the change the color of the silver bromide maybe the change in the silver bromide the yellow light yellow color is measure the changes in yellow light and due to color is silver bromide maybe approximately and can be the indicator to the property to exposed of the sunlight of the gray color of the silver point. The silver bromide that decomposes to the silver and bromine to in sunlight. The point to the reverse process of the forms to the reactions of the chemistry form. The light yellow to the colors of the silver bromide that turns to the gray due to the sunlight. The maybe the positively charges attraction to the sunlight is evenings to the vitamins formation to the attractive to the silvers to the sunlight to direction form and the right direction to the silver bromide are exposed to the sunlight is a black color and light low light or a gray color is formed. The silver bromide may be the absorbent on the decomposition reactions occurs in presence of the sunlight and the success of reactions are called photochemical reactions. In measure the proportion of the quantity of the silver bromide is measured. The chemicals reactions are absorbed to the photo and elements of the nucleus the sunlight to the aluminum bromide equal to 2 aluminum bromide plus Br2 bromide equation is the formation to the best if the forms to the decomposition reaction is photochemical form and the form the decompositions of the reactions requires to the minimum charge of energy requires the heat or light or electricity. Maybe you can also the converting to the reactants to the product in a lab activity. All these forms to the heat, light or electricity is maybe the reactions of endothermic reaction. The measure of endothermic reactions is measure the proportional of the due to the sunlight is the form and to the followings to the activity of carry out of the following activities. The first point to the take the pinch of the HCl in a watch glass in the form and keep it in a sunlight for some times and observe the changes of reactions or maybe the difficult reaction. And second point, the take the some ferrous sulfate of crystals or boiling tube and heated it cover the spirit lamp or observation of the heated of the spirit lamp is in your lab. They take the some of the ferrous sulfate of crystals of the form the some quantity or 1 gram quantity and maybe the in your classes of the teachers of the form the boiling tube is heated over the spirit lamps to the higher degree of the 90 degrees Celsius. On third point to the take about the 2 grams of barium hydroxide or the in test tube maybe the first form and about the next to the about 1 gram of the ammonium chloride and mix with a glass rod tube. The touch of the test tube with the U palm So what did you observe in your notebook of the answers to the form? What is the observed measure of the property? Is the barium hydroxide in test tube or the ammonium chloride or mix of the glasses of the rock? The heated form, the touches of the test tube of the form to the observes of the form, the air gases of the form is reactions. The next to the displacements of reactions to the form. The displacement reactions is one element to the another element. The displacements another elements is the components of the compound and takes up the places of the therein or observed of the photochemical reactions are observed. The displacements of the hydrogen from the acid of the metals of the reactions and the dissolution the formation to attracted to everything in form and the generally metals which are the more active than hydrogen the places of the reaction and the dissolution the form and the acid to the generally which are more active or more less or inactive formation to the lab activity of differences between to the form and the decomposition of the accused of the sunlight are major important. The ladies observe the reactions of the following activities to the form, the sunlight of the silver bromide of the decomposition of the form and activity of the some quant and the maybe the bromide is absorbent reactions. The reactions the another elements of the compounds and takes in place. There is the hydrogen from acid by the metals of general metals which are more active form the hydrogen displays of the acid. And you can also the salts in the lab activities to the students of the maybe the decomposition the reactions occur the presence of the sunlight on the photochemical reactions of the electricity of the converting of reactants of product on the endothermic reactions is the form is the simple and the most important topics is the silver bromide or silver colors is maybe the light color and yellow and gray color is maybe the changes of attractions the lab activity. Thank you for watching the let's go to